fuck going on YouTube? So we got another part for the Q50. It's a 12-inch sub. I used to have it in my old truck, but I was like, it was just sitting in there, so we're gonna be putting it in. Basically, I'm gonna put some different subs in the Ram because I need ones that go underneath the seat. But yeah, we're pretty much just starting on this. Gonna hook her up to the battery, run the wires through all the way through the bottom panel up into the back seat, and we'll keep doing an update video about it. All right, update. Just gotta tap her up to the positive. Ran it through the firewall. Got her ran down the panel through there. And then I just tucked her up right behind there, right through the back. It's right there. About to get behind this so I can wire up the ground. Got the wifey going to get the power converter because I need the two-way power converter because I got to plug into the factory amp, factory sub, along with the amp. And then yeah, should be good. All right, so we got her all done. She's sitting good. She bumping. The panels all back in. I know, my but she's sitting in there good. Oh yeah. But yo, what's going on YouTube? So we in the last video, well, it was the last clip. We just did. It was installing the sub in the Q50, but that was like Tuesday, so it's Saturday already, and they got Cars and Coffee right now, and we're gonna go. It's at the Charlotte Speedway, so we're gonna go check that out right now. Running a little late, but you know, it is what it is. I'm whipping the Ram. Then we got Steph in the Q. Got her all cleaned up. Oh, you can't even see her. Damn. Dark ass tint. But ooh. Say what's up. Say what's up. Oh, they can't even see. Damn. Whipping it. We'll let y'all know once we get there. We're gonna just get some probably clips of a bunch of cars and everything, and yeah, just go from there, and that's about it.
Guys, apparently we have switch roles today. We made it.
Yep.
It's pretty packed.
You're the main character today. Pretty packed. We got them both posted up right here. Type shit. Where you gonna get some pretty good flicks?
Hope so.
What camera are you working with? Let's see. Give us a
Nikon.
spill for it. Give us a spill.
Nikon 3D 500.
Big old long schlong on that damn thing.
There's a lot of connections here. I mean, this is culture, the car culture, the culture and the people. This is a great avenue. I know you can use anywhere in the country. You can do anything, but you're here. In this boulevard, we have the best. We have the best staff. We have the best car parkers.
Yo, rotary. See, those were the ones I was wanting to get, as the US mags. Damn. I'm gonna lie, we missed it. Let me see. How you do it? Do it.
No, I can't.
No extra, like. Woo. Alrighty, what you think? So we got the V or the Vet? Or a single cab?
Vet now, pay later, single cab whenever.
Okay, bet. Hey, or are we saying just get rid of the V's and vets and just go pick up one of these?
Check big booty bitch.
Oh. Bro, this thing is... Damn, boy. Damn.
I'm fine with that. It's the same thing every year. It's like slowing down.
Yes, brother, yes. Oh. Oh, shit. What you think about that one, bro? All right, so that's a wrap for this Cars and Coffee. Everybody's already starting to leave. We got to go run to some places still, but got a couple good videos. Definitely gonna toss all those in there. We'll see. But we're gonna go check out another meet tonight. It's literally right down the road from our house, so we're gonna go check that out and see how it is. Hopefully it's good. Hopefully it's a good turnout, so we get some more videos. It's being badass type
luck.
shit. All right, later. So we pulled up to the meet. There were no cars there, like 1 or 2 Hondas. We're like, yeah, we gotta go. So we pulled up to Walmart, grabbing some new vinyl so we could redo the stickers on the trucks and cars.